love the dick, she love the dick. Skin it out, make me rub it on your clit.
Yes, my viewer, subscriber, your boy stole a teacher Japa tune called Great. And the girl them a go mad dog. You know this a one ya, the girl them anthem. You know say this a one a go mash up everywhere. Meds.
This is a journey into sound.
No drop top, London girl them hot. No drop top, Birmingham girls them hot.
Viewer, subscriber, Cartel say yo, London, Birmingham girl them big up, but area dog me got something fresh. I come off of the ice and me need to melt that out dog. But before me do that, me need some oil. Pum pum tight. Meds.
She love the dick, she love the dick. Skin it out, make me rub it on your clit. Try push it in, it too tight. Me shoulda bring a baby, I'll go on the trip. Pussy get wet, slide in just the tip. Set up on your belly, me a ride with the whip. Like Tia Nelson, sit down in a saddle. 12 furlong, me a go get the victory.
You a subscriber, Cartel a make you know say yo, fresh look thing there the yard, and guess what? Him lick all a magnum and smoke a spliff and ready for go throw a back shot pan it, and him say boy dog. Him feel say that thing you did a nymphomaniac, you know true, she love the dick. But man say yo, when him ready for slip it in dog, it too tight. Man say yo, me make a error dog, me left the baby aisle. So all me have to do a rub up a clit. Meds.
See the body cocky come now. Girl, your phone and it's so tight. Yeah, you made a fuck your turn now. You want my baby. See the body cocky come now. Girl, your phone and it's so tight.
Viewer, subscriber, Cartel say, yo, you want me little baby. Me try it one way and the pum pum too tight. So boy, I come like say what? The back shot the inner hit. So a man I say, yo dog, you have to come sit down pan it. You get me? Man say your pum pum get wet up and him have to slide the tip in a hit. But viewer, subscriber, when you hear them tune you from Cartel and Cartel slow down a pace and go in and them way there, you know say them a tune you for girl. You know say girl a go wind up on them tune you. You know say them girl a girl anthem dog when it come to them kind of tune you with Cartel job. You see me? Cause Cartel have a certain kind of tune them for the girl them, and Cartel have tune where you know say I does bad boy tune where you know say girl I go wine to hit, but them tune they are just bad boy tune. But you see that tune right now, that tune are just for girl for turn up on it hard. And at them kind of level there you can see say Cartel put it in, saying that that's why the man I give you the way I'm give you. But area Meds.
She call me name, she call me name. I DJ Palmer, you're the teacher, you're the great. Hey girl, you are the one, you're not no mate. You know no time for do no buckle, you no crate. Pine for me with when me a come, you make me shake. Rub me bars like a sheeny lampy jaculate.
Viewer, subscriber, you know sometimes you have a nice little girl where you just a beat and you just can't be bothered if you go out there if you go deal with another girl because this a girl where you beat, you know say yo, I do everything and I give you everything. And that Cartel I tell you right now. So that's why you hear Cartel I say yo, she a call me name. She not even say Cartel, she a say Adisha Palmer. You're the teacher, you're the great. A man say, yo, you don't have to worry, you don't got no mate. You see me, you don't have no time for no buckle, you no crate. So a man I tell your dog, say straight up, I just this a little cat here right and now I run things. And this a little cat here alone him up on the scene. And this a little cat here where oh him a squeeze everything pan dog. And a dirty man I make you know. Meds.
If you have a bank book, well in me make it straight. Move your out of council house, you get a big fucking estate. Things they are your gate.
See the body cocky come now. Girl, your phone and it's so tight.
Viewer, subscriber. Cartel make you know say yo him do anything for this a girl. Cartel make you know say this a girl can't broke no more. She can't say she don't have no money. Cause man make you know say yo, if you have a bank book, me I make it straight. A man say yo, me no want drive in a no council place, come check you, me I come pick you up on them like a thing there. A man say yo, me I take you out of that, me I put you in a big ever house on the estate. You get me dog? And them kind of level there. Cause Cartel I make you know say right now I turn it up on her. Cause this a catty I do anything at any given moment. So right now, it might make she feel good. And at them kind of level that the man depend. Meds.
She love the dick, she love the dick. Skin it out, make me rub it on your clit. Try push it in, it too tight. Me shoulda bring a baby, I'll go on the trip. Pussy get wet, slide in, just the tip.
Viewer, subscriber, you know say enough gyal a go dance to that tune. You know say enough gyal a go love a tune. You know say our DJ a go love that tune, cause that tune a go get X amount of pull up, dog. You get me? Because when Cartella tell us say, yo, she love the dick, dog, you know say, yo, some gyal out there just love to wind up on it, dog. Some gyal love to know say when you beat it, you beat it. Ragged, dog, you get me? And at them the kind of level the Cartella make you know say, yo, when it wet up and you just squeeze in the tip and I hit that, dog. You see me? But right now, viewer, subscribe. It's your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, or share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more. And your boy Stola 1.